For an early summer appetizer platter, the honey-grilled peach crostini offers a balance of crisp, creamy, and charred elements. To achieve that balance, we use honey in 3 separate functional zones: the base, the core, and the finish. Across this dish, we use 148 grams of honey. It acts as the sweetener in the base layer, the caramelizer for the core fruit layer, and finally, the finisher for the top. For these 12 servings, you will need an oven and a grill. Gather a baguette, olive oil, whole milk ricotta, vanilla extract, sea salt, fresh lemon juice, mint, pistachios, 2 ripe peaches, and wildflower honey. Utilizing a single ingredient in these 3 distinct functional roles allows you to build a multi-dimensional appetizer from a few simple seasonal staples. Start with wildflower honey. The specific floral notes in this variety provide the necessary aromatic profile to complement the stone fruit. When selecting peaches, look for a firm, ripe texture. When you press near the stem, you should feel a slight give. If the peach is rock hard, it won't yield the juices needed for grilling. Prepare the base by slicing your baguette into 12 equal pieces and brushing the cut sides lightly with olive oil. Toast these in a 400-degree oven or on the grill for 5 to 7 minutes. You are looking for the edges to turn golden brown. This toasting step ensures the crostini is rigid enough to support the weight and moisture of the toppings without losing its crunch. For the base layer, combine 1 cup of whole milk ricotta, 3 tablespoons of honey, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of sea salt. This is honey's first role, the sweetener. The 3-tablespoon measurement is calculated to cut through the natural acidity of the whole milk dairy. Whip the mixture vigorously. You are physically aerating the cheese, breaking down the grains until the texture becomes smooth and spreadable. If you stop whipping too early, the ricotta remains lumpy. That graininess will disrupt the intended creamy contrast of the final appetizer. A properly whipped emulsion creates an insulating barrier that prevents the moisture of the fruit from softening the toasted bread. To prep the fruit, halve and pit the peaches. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice to create a glaze. Brush the cut side of the peaches with the glaze and place them directly onto the hot grill grates for 2 to 3 minutes. Here, honey acts as the caramelizer. Grill heat causes the sugars in the glaze to darken and bubble, creating a bittersweet crust on the fruit. Watch the clock closely. If you exceed the 3-minute mark, the heat will break down the peach's cellular structure, turning the firm fruit into mush. This precise thermal reaction adds a charred depth that grounds the natural sweetness of the peach and honey. For assembly, spread a thick layer of the whipped ricotta onto each crostini, then top with thin slices of the grilled peach. Now add the micro garnishes: chopped toasted pistachios, lemon zest, and fresh mint leaves. The toasted pistachios provide a necessary crunch, while the mint and lemon zest provide an acidic counterpoint to the richer layers below. Finally, apply honey in its 3rd role, the finisher. Drizzle the remaining 2 tablespoons of raw honey over the top. This provides the pure, floral character of the wildflower honey without any alteration from heat. Achieving this specific balance of textures, crunchy, creamy, and soft, is what makes this appetizer successful. You now have 12 assembled crostinis, ready for service. In this recipe, we manipulated honey to perform 3 distinct tasks: sweetening the dairy, caramelizing the fruit, and finishing the final bite. These flavors pair particularly well with an iced honey lemon tea or a sparkling honey soda. This is a dish designed for the outdoors, best enjoyed on a patio during an early summer sunset. Assigning specific functional roles to each ingredient allows you to build layers of flavor and texture that are both intentional and balanced.